Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining measurable goals and strict risk limits so your trading remains disciplined. Decide a target return, for example 10% annual, and set a maximum loss of 10% per position before you sell to protect capital. Determine capital allocation per strategy, such as 002, 000, and keep at least 1 month of living expenses in cash outside Robinhood. Use stop orders and a watch list limited to 5 stocks to reduce decision fatigue and enforce your rules automatically. Combine a buy and hold dividend core with a small swing trading sleeve to capture income and short-term gains. Buy reliable dividend stocks yielding 2% to 5% and enable DRIP on Robinhood to reinvest payouts automatically. Allocate 70% to dividends and 30% to swing trades where you aim for 5% to 15% profit over days to weeks, using limit orders. Limit leverage, avoid margin for most users, and review positions weekly to rebalance holdings and take profits when targets are met. Understand taxes, execution, and platform limits so profits actually stick in your account. Expect a Form 1099 from Robinhood for taxable events. Track short-term gains separately because they are taxed as ordinary income, while long-term gains get preferential rates. Avoid excessive turnover that creates wash sale complications and monitor ACH limits and instant transfer fees. Use limit orders to control slippage, set realistic expectations about fills, and keep a simple trading log to reconcile performance and taxes each year.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.